Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to connect your ROBOROCK QRevo Edge device to your application. So, just to remind you, this application is called the ROBOROCK, and you can download this application from the Play Store. Once you have this application downloaded, you need to tap this plus button over here in the top right corner in the devices section. But you need to of course tap it, and now once you have done it, tap add manually. Now here on the device, on the vacuum cleaner, you need to find the power button and the dock button. On the vacuum cleaner, on this thing that writes, not the dock. Once you have found these two buttons, you need to hold them simultaneously until you hear resetting Wi-Fi.
Resetting Wi-Fi.
Now we have our Wi-Fi being resetted, and we need to just wait a moment until the device appears in the Never Devices list. Here it is, as you can see. We need to tap it, and now here we have the process of connecting to Wi-Fi network. Here is the Wi-Fi network we are currently connected to, and we need to enter the password to this Wi-Fi network. You need to enter here your Wi-Fi password, not mine, remember that. And here, if you want to, you can tap remember password. Here, tap next, connect to the device's Wi-Fi. Now here will be prompted to connect to the device's Wi-Fi. You need to just connect to the device. Tap connect, and now connection successful.
Connecting to Wi-Fi.
Now our device will set up, and that's how to connect your device to an app. Now you need to just get through a small tutorial and you'll be good to go. Goodbye.